Okay, let's take a look at number 15 from section 8.4. Here we're multiplying two radical expressions that each have two terms. So we're going to need to use the distributive property twice. 5 times the square root of 2 needs to get multiplied by this two-term expression, square root of 2 minus 1, and so does minus 3. And really this is going to be FOIL. First times first. If you don't like the concept of FOIL, you can simply think of it as the distributive property twice, because that's what it is. Negative 1 will be multiplied times 5 square root of 2. And I can put this in any order. As long as I have a negative sign, one negative sign, I'll just put that in front. So here's the negative 1 being multiplied by the 5 square root of 2. And I can kind of order that in whatever way I want. Now negative 3 needs to be multiplied by the square root of 2. And negative 3 needs to be multiplied by negative 1. So this is 5 times the square root of 4. Negative 5 square root of 2 times 1 is negative 5 square root of 2. Minus 3 square root of 2. Minus 3 times minus 1, which is plus 3. So square root of 4 is 2. So this is 5 times 2. And I can combine negative 5 square root of 2 with negative 3 square root of 2 to get negative 8 square root 2. Then I add 3. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 plus 3 is 13. And 13 cannot be combined, added, or subtracted with 8 square root of 2 because that's a radical expression involving a square root that has a radicand of 2. And that can only be combined with other radical expressions involving a square root that has a radicand of 2. So this is my final answer, 13 minus 8 times the square root of 2.